All right, welcome to Tools with Guys. My name is Aaron. I'm going over my Ryobi fan that I got. I actually got two of these. You got, I think there was a combo pack. You got two batteries. You came with the fan, and I like the fan so much I bought an extra fan. Anyways, I use this mostly. My little girl plays softball, so we're always in the fields, and it's hot here in Texas. So we use this a lot to put on the fence. You can hang it on the fence on there. You can move it around. So this is an 18 volt Ryobi. I got a bunch of these batteries now. Anyway, so this Ryobi is pretty good. You can get it for 50 bucks when it's on special. It's got two speeds. It's got low speed, and then it's got a high speed.
How long will one battery last you about?
And the battery, so we do softball tournaments, you know, from the morning to dark, and they'll last all day.
Wow, that's impressive.
I mean, when it's not on all day, but for the games, you know, she has 6, 7, 8 games.
And each game is an hour and a half?
About an hour.
An hour? So roughly, you're probably looking 6 to 8 hours, no problem?
Yeah.
And then if you run out, what I like about that...
Yeah, you can just change out, if you have another battery, change it out. Or, you know, if you're in your garage, in your shop or anything and don't want to use battery, that's what makes it nice. The Ryobi, you can plug it into the extension cord.
That is awesome.
There you go.